Please subscribe.
The Egolf seems like old news given Volkswagen plans to launch a host of longer-range electric vehicles on a new dedicated platform starting in the next few years. But apparently the small electric hatch is selling well enough in Germany to warrant an increase in production at the Automakers plant in Dresden. To meet higher demand for the Egolf, production capacity at the transparent factory is to be increased, Volkswagen said in a statement released this month. Production will gradually increase from 35 to 70 vehicles a day starting in March 2018, the automaker also announced. The plant in Dresden will add a second shift to accommodate this change. Recently introduced federal incentives have increased the demand for EVs in Germany, as has a diesel scrappage program. Automakers have been offering rebates for drivers who scrap their old diesel cars and purchase more environmentally friendly vehicles. Still, the Egolf isn't performing spectacularly in the US right now. Here, sales of the model are down 8.7% for the first 11 months of the year, from 3,494 units to just 3,191. Compare that to overall Golf sales in the US, which are up 7.4%. The Volkswagen e-Golf received important updates for 2017, making it more sophisticated than its predecessor. Battery capacity has increased to provide an EPA-estimated range of 125 miles, an increase from 83 miles. The motor now puts out 134 horsepower and 214 pounds-to-foot of torque, compared to 115 horsepower and 199 pounds-to-foot from the previous model. Volkswagen will sell the ID electric hatch in Europe by 2019, while the ID Graz will arrive in the US in 2020. The microbus-inspired ID Buzz will go on sale in 2022 in the US.